Every day felt like copy-paste. I was stuck in the system. I'd wake up at 6:30, grab my phone, and check emails before my feet even hit the floor. Rush through breakfast, get stuck in traffic, sit in meetings that decided nothing, then crash on the couch, too drained to live my own life. I was trapped in the loop, the invisible matrix we all live in, where being busy feels normal and exhaustion feels inevitable. Then I tried one small AI habit and everything changed. In this video, I'll show you the exact AI-powered habit that helped me escape burnout, reclaim my mornings, and finally feel free again. I'm going to walk you through a simple 3-step morning ritual that transformed my chaotic days into intentional ones, how it grew into a complete freedom system, and most importantly, how you can start using it tomorrow, no matter how overwhelmed you feel right now. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to break free from the reactive cycle and start choosing your days instead of letting them choose you. We're all caught in a loop. Wake up, work, repeat. I needed a way out, and AI gave me one. 6 months ago, I was exactly where you might be right now. Every morning felt like stepping onto a treadmill that someone else controlled. I'd check my phone immediately, terrible mistake, and get hit with 47 notifications before I even brushed my teeth. By 9 a.m., I was reactive, not proactive. By evening, I had zero energy left for anything that actually mattered to me. Here's what I realized. We're all trapped in this invisible matrix, where being busy equals productivity and feeling overwhelmed seems normal. I was tired of living someone else's life. That's when I discovered one simple Notion AI habit that changed everything. If you're watching this, you probably feel it too. That sense that your time isn't really your own, but you don't have to live like that. Here's the one thing that shifted everything for me. I started using Notion AI as my daily reset ritual. Let me walk you through the exact 3 steps that transformed my chaotic mornings into intentional ones. And if you're new to Notion, don't worry. I'll show you exactly how to set this up from scratch. Step 1. Morning reset. Before I check emails, before I look at my phone, before I do anything else, I open Notion AI. If you're new to Notion, go to notion.so and sign up for free. It takes 30 seconds. Once you're logged in, look for the big plus button or new page option. Click it and you'll see a blank page. This is your canvas. Give it a clear title like Daily Reset or My Morning Command Center. Add an emoji icon. It makes it easy to find later. You can even add a cover image if you want, but that's totally optional. Why does this matter? Because it clears your mental space and prevents you from reacting to other people's priorities first thing in the morning. Step 2. Type Plan My Day in 3 simple steps. Now here's where the magic happens. On your page, type this exact phrase. Plan my day in 3 simple steps. That's it. Within seconds, Notion AI gives you 3 things. Your top priority, the most impactful task today, what can wait, all those urgent-looking tasks that aren't actually important, one personal reminder, something to take care of your well-being. If you want to get fancy with Notion, you can use /commands. Type /to-do list to create checkboxes for tasks like write report, call client, or take a walk. You can even create toggle lists. Type /toggle to make collapsible sections for complex tasks. But here's the beautiful thing. AI gives you a clear, actionable plan in seconds. You no longer have to decide what to do first or feel overwhelmed by 17 tasks screaming for attention. Step 3. Take immediate action. This is the step that changes everything. You follow the first suggestion immediately, not after checking emails, not after scrolling social media, immediately. In Notion, just click the checkbox next to your top priority to mark it done later. If it's a complex task, use those toggle lists to break it into steps. Your page becomes your command center for the entire day. Taking action first trains your brain that your plan matters more than distractions. This builds momentum and reduces that constant stress of wondering if you're doing the right thing. That was my turning point. I went from waking up overwhelmed to starting the day with clarity and breathing space. Instead of 17 tasks screaming for my attention, I had 3 clear priorities. Instead of panic, I had peace. Now, picture this. It's tomorrow morning. You haven't touched your phone yet. Instead, you open Notion, type those 7 words, and in less than 30 seconds, you already know your top priority for the day. Can you feel the difference? That moment of calm before the chaos even begins. Within 2 weeks, I wasn't just more productive, I was more present. My anxiety dropped because I wasn't constantly wondering if I was doing the right thing. I knew I was because I'd already decided that morning. Even if you're completely new to Notion, you can set this up in 5 minutes with simple checklists and toggle lists. But the real power isn't in the tool. It's in breaking the reactive cycle and choosing your day instead of letting it choose you. This one small habit became my doorway to freedom. Now here's the bigger picture. This isn't just a routine, it's a freedom system. That one small habit with Notion AI gave me breathing room. From there, I started adding layers. The automations layer. I used Zapier to eliminate the mindless tasks that were eating up my brain space. Things like automatically saving email attachments to the right folders, creating calendar events from important messages, and routing customer inquiries without having to think about it. Most were simple 2-step automations, but collectively, they saved me 90 minutes of clicking every day. The tracking layer. I created a simple dashboard that asked 3 questions. Did I complete my morning reset? Did I focus on my high-impact task? Did I do something just for me? Not perfectionism, just awareness of what was actually working. The reflection layer. I added AI journaling prompts to my evening routine. Questions like, what went well today? And what would make tomorrow feel lighter? 5 minutes of reflection helped me sleep better and wake up clearer. Each layer supported the others. The automations freed up mental space for better planning. The tracking helped me see what actually worked. The journaling helped me understand my patterns and celebrate small wins. But remember, it all started with one simple morning habit. You don't need the whole system on day 1. You just need to break the reactive cycle once and feel what it's like to choose your day instead of letting it choose you. So, what's keeping you stuck in the matrix? Drop a comment if you're breaking free too. Here's my challenge for you. Tomorrow morning, before you check your phone, before you dive into the chaos, try the 3-step reset. Open Notion, create that page, and type "Plan my day in 3 simple steps." Follow the first suggestion immediately. That's it. Don't overthink it. Don't try to build the perfect system on day 1. Just break the reactive cycle once and see how it feels to start your day with intention instead of overwhelm. If this resonates with you and you're ready for the next step, Watch my video on I used AI to create my first $100 online. Because once you've got your time back, the question becomes, what are you going to do with it? That video shows you exactly how to turn your newfound freedom into real income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Now go and plan tomorrow in 3 simple steps.